In order to get started with the iOS solution, you need to download 3D Size Me app on the Apple Store. Once downloaded, you can access the app by clicking on it. Make sure you have your structure sensor scanner connected to your iPad. Before starting scanning, we recommend you access the menu bar in order to do an initial setup. You can access the menu from the 3 bars at the top right corner, or by sliding the left bar to the right. First, click on Settings and go down to the Scan section. Make sure the scan box placement strategy is set to automatic, it will improve your scanning experience. Then, scroll down to the IMED section. Select an upload target to specify where and how you want to upload the 3D files after the scanning session. If you select email, you can enter a default email recipient, so you won't need to type it every time. Make sure that the Use New IMED format is on. You can modify other settings if needed. If you have more than one clinician at your practice, we suggest you enter different practitioners. To do this, access the Practitioners section from the menu. By clicking New Practitioner at the bottom, you'll be able to enter your information. Finally, to get started with scanning a patient, go back to the menu and select Patients. Click New Patient if the patient is visiting your clinic for the first time. If your patient is a returning patient, you can access his file by searching the list. Once you are in the patient file, you can start scanning by selecting the body part with the desired mode.